Today I'm making the easiest loaf of bread that you'll ever make recipe as found on the King Arthur baking website. So the first thing I have to do, add 540 grams of bread flour, add a tablespoon of granulated sugar, there we go, and 2¼ teaspoons of salt. No, 2½ teaspoons of salt, sorry. 2½, and then a packet of instant yeast, one 2/3 of a two-thirds of a cup of water, or 380 grams of water. So I'll just add that. I'm going to be using my stand mixer to help me with this. Okay, so I'll be using this adapter, this paddle. Come on, how's this thing? Hook in there. There we go. I'll mix this on a medium speed just to get everything incorporated. Okay, that was quite quick. Let's see if it, they say it needs to come together in a big mass. Yeah, there we go. I'll actually use the dough to knead it for me. The dough has been kneading in the machine for about 7 minutes now. It's nice and elastic. Feels a little bit sticky still, so I'm not sure if that is right. Might need to add a little bit of flour. Okay, there we go. We've got a nice ball going here. I just need to oil the container. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil in here and put that in. Make sure it's got oil all over. It's nice. Okay. This is now going to rise for about 2 hours. I'll cover this dough with some cling film and set it aside on a warmish spot in the kitchen to rise for about 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on what it looks like, until it's about double in size. Okay, so the dough has had time to rise now for about 2 hours. It's about double the size. And now I need to just turn it out and on a lightly dusted area. I'm going to take this out. And just have a look at that. There we go. Take this and halve it. So I'm going to take rough, cut it in half there. There we go. Put that one on the side. Just need to pat this down, get all the air out. Okay, then I'm going to fold it like a letter and fold it over like that. Roll it out a little bit, maybe a bit more flour here, roll it out into the size of the bread I want. struggling a little bit. Okay, so I'll keep that one side. Okay, press this down. Let's just fold this like that. This one over. Turn it and get it nice. Fold it in on the sides. I'm manhandling this a little bit too much maybe, but we'll see. Got baking tray, and we'll put some corn flour at the bottom. I need to just put some, take bread and put it on here. And this now needs to rise again for another 45 minutes while the oven gets preheated. I'm going to cover it with cling film for the tops not to dry out too much. Okay, so the bread's now had a chance to proof. It's not 100% the way I wanted it to be, but it's already been an hour. Put some flour on top. Cut this with a serrated knife. I'll do 3 cuts like that. This is now going to go into the oven for about 25 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of water at the bottom to steam it as well. Bread's finished in the oven. I had to open up for about 5 minutes for it to cool down in the oven, and now I'll take it out. It looks a little bit dark, but it actually looks good. Now it just needs to cool down. So it's cooled down a little bit. It's not 100% cool, but I have to taste it. Cut another piece.
I'm already eating it.
Do I have approval? Is it good?
Yeah, I really like it.
Cool. Thank you.